Wondershare Filmora 13 tutorial for beginners. Hello everyone and welcome back. In today's video, we're going to be taking a look at some of the amazing features in Wondershare Filmora 13. They have now introduced AI into the Wondershare Filmora editor, so its capabilities have been enhanced by trifold. You can see the Wondershare Filmora overall interface has been upgraded. So let's get started and let's explore some of the features of Wondershare. I have already installed Wondershare onto my device. However, if you don't have Wondershare in your device, simply open up your browser over here. And once you open up your browser, search for Wondershare. And once you go on to Wondershare Filmora, you're going to click on this link over here, and the Wondershare Filmora 13 is going to be advertised. Just click on free download and download the Wondershare Filmora application. Once you have done that, you can just install it in your device and then you can get started. From here on the left, you will have a menu bar where you have your Wondershare Cloud, your Creator Hub, and an AI toolbox. In your AI toolbox, you have different features such as a screen recorder, AI to text, as well as other features. Now, in your AI toolbox, you also have AI text to video, AI text-based editing, silence detection, AI stylizer, AI copywriting, instant cut, auto beat sync, auto reframe, and AI portrait cutout. You also have AI voice cloning available. Now, you guys can see that this is when we open up any project, this is what the Wondershare project looks like. And over here, we can click on import to import our video or images that we want to add. First, for your account, you want to click to log in on the bottom right, and then you're just going to log in onto your Wondershare account. So I'm just going to proceed on with my Gmail account to sign in with Wondershare. Now I'm going to just open up my Wondershare and it's logging it in. And just like that, my account has been logged in. From here, I'm just going to click on new project, and this is what a blank project looks like. On the left, we have our project media, global media, cloud media, downloads, compound clips, and our photo library. Then we can go into stock media to use some stock footage if we want to, if we want to just use some stock footage and we don't have our own footage yet. You guys can see you can simply download any video from here and add that into your Wondershare project. On the bottom, you have a simple menu bar or a simple editing bar where you can add videos as well as your audio files, and on the top right over here you get a preview of the video that is being added. Now from here we're going to click on media and we are going to click on import, and we're going to import our own video file. We have this video file and this has not been imported. Now I'm going to drag and drop it to the bottom, and I am going to ask it to match the media and then place this at the start. Once we've done that, we can play what our video looks like so. So this is our video. It's a really simple clip of a model. Now to begin editing, we can go ahead and first add some audio. If you don't have your own audio file, you can click on audio on the top and choose your own music. So you guys can see you can preview the music like so. And whatever music file you like, you can go on ahead and download that content and add that over here. You guys can see this is a really long audio file. We are going to just reduce the volume, and you can now do this directly from here like so. Or you can just click on the music file, and on the right you have the option for adjustment. You have auto normalization, you have the volume options, you also have audio channels, as well as sound balance, fade in and fade out. I'm going to fade the music out a little like so. And then we also have pitch adjustments. We have denoise options as well. Then we also have voice changers and speed adjusters. Then in your video function, if you just click on the video here, you have the scale of your video, the position. So if you want to rotate your video, you can do that as well. You can click on the number of degrees you want to rotate it to. So if I just want to flip it, I would do 180, I think, or 120. Yeah, 180 degrees, and that would flip the video. If you want to do it, convert it to horizontal or vertical, you can just do that from here. Then you also have compositioning as well as background, where you can turn on and blur the background. So I want to give it some color. and we can add a color into the background as well. We can also go on ahead and choose the blending mode that we want. So if I want to add a specific type of blend, I will reduce the opacity like so, and I want soft edges or whatever type of compositioning you want, you can add that as well. You also have the ability to auto enhance on the right, and you have drop shadows that you can include. Now, other than that, we also can include video and other images within our video file. If I want to connect two videos together, I can go into stock media, and we're going to go ahead and go into the library of stock media, and I am just going to search for this background video, so I can drag and drop that over here, and now it's downloading this original content. I'm going to make it match to media, and now you guys can see this is what our video is going to look like. So if we move on ahead over here, this is what it looks like. And just like that, we can, cut different pieces of videos together and add them into one larger video. Then if you want to include text, we can click on the titles section on the top right. And we have a few different options. We have title templates and other types of templates that we can include. But if you want some simple text, you can just go on ahead and add default text over here. You also can include multiple different types of transitions and effects within different clips or only at the start or end of any video on the Wondershare Filmora editor. You also have simple effects that you can include, such as these types of mild, extreme, blur, zoom, shake, scan, energy, texture filters, and other types of filters. You can also go ahead and include stickers as well as use some pre-existing editing templates into your Filmora edit. Now, not only do you have these simple features, but you have enhanced AI capabilities. So if we go on ahead and go into the Filmora editor over here, you guys can see this is our basic video. You guys can see that we have template-based editors. I don't want to add a thumbnail, so I'm going to remove that. But over here, we have the option to open up a new project. We have the option to edit as well as view it in different modes. I am going to go towards our AI-based features. We're going to move towards a new project, and you guys can go into your AI toolbox. And in that, let's say we want to start with AI copywriting or AI text to video. So I can go ahead and click on this over here, and I want a cat walking in a kitchen. And then I have the language, the voice, the video ratio, and I can click on try it for free. It needs to be at least 50 characters long. There should be a box of cereal that it knocks off the counter. The cat should be white, furry, and now I'm going to click on try it for free. And just like that, our AI video is also being generated. And this makes it really easy for you to bring your ideas to life with Wondershare. So let's see what they generate from our really basic prompt. This is really nothing complicated at all. So this is what they have generated. Let's just take, so you guys can see the video editor is, it is a bit out of place right now because it's still a relatively new feature, but we do have, somewhat of what our prompt did say. They did generate that to some extent. So that is all for today. I hope you guys found this video helpful. If you did, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our YouTube channel, and I will catch you guys in the next video.